Chris Hadnagy, CEO and founder of Social Engineer LLC, here with your 60-second SE tip. Happy Monday. I want to talk to you about something brand new called Quishing. Yeah, not kidding. They came up with another ishing. During COVID, we basically all learned we're not touching paper menus anymore. We scan those QR codes. Quickly, threat actors figured out, hey, we're going to start trusting these things. We're going to scan them. We're going to install apps. We're going to do that. And they started using QR codes to get you to download apps or to go to links that are malicious. So a lot of scams right now are coming, you're getting things in the mail, maybe a free gift, and they want you to register and there's a QR code. I've seen a couple reports about this. What can you do? If you don't trust that app, if you don't know that app, if it's not coming from a trusted source, do not install it. If you get to a link because of a QR code that's asking for personal information, don't put it in. QR codes can be dangerous. I'm not saying don't trust any of them, but only trust verified ones. Stay safe. See you tomorrow and check out social-engineer.com. See you.